Welcome back to Cooking with Kyle.
Hoo-yah!
Alright, today's an exciting day. We finally get to put some shiny new parts on our shiny old bike. So the first thing we're going to tackle is the front end. We still don't have our 23-inch front wheel yet, but we're going to get ready for it. So in order to fit that wheel, we need to change our triple tree to have one with a 6-degree rake. So we got the kit from Hog Halters. You can see it right here on the table.
Yeah, so this kit is specific to our bike. So there are 2 sets of limiting spacers. Ours came with 2 sets just because we have a T in the brake line over there. So we're going to be taking those out and replacing them with these 2 sets, different lengths.
Yeah, so we'll need to drain the fork oil, take out everything and put those spacers in. That's just because the diameter of the wheel is higher. So we want to limit the travel so that it doesn't come up and hit against this. So without further ado, let's get started.
Here we go.
You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images, yeah. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right. Oh no. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right. Oh no. You're calling my phone. I'm being impatient,
See it? Oh.
Pause!
when you're coming back around.
Alright, take 3. Woo! Pop!
Like I could die without you next to me. It's the way that you look at me.
So,
Makes me feel
So that's it. Triple tree is on. Replace the bearings inside the stem,
the neck.
the neck bearing. Took a couple tries to get this right. We kind of didn't really follow the instructions and did whatever we wanted. So we put a couple things upside down, but we got it all figured out now. So you can't really tell the difference now without the new wheel, but this whole front end is raked now 6 degrees. Next up, we're gonna throw on the nacelle, headlight, everything, just make sure everything fits, and just to see what we need to powder coat, whether or not we need to powder coat these, if we even see them or not.
when you're coming back around.
Yeah, so next up, handlebars. We'll go throw on all the extended cables. So for the clutch, the brake, throttle, and then all the extended wiring going up to the cables. Change all the switches to black and break everything apart on the handles themselves because we're going to powder coat all that as well. So let's get to work.
Oh, that's gonna look great. Thank you, Havoc. So these ones are just a limit for the 23 front inch wheel. 23 front inch wheel. Let's try this again.